What up, everybody? Jeff Juice here. So today I'm showing you a new fidget spinner I got. Yeah, another one. But first off, you see that like dribbling noise? It's just the fish tank. So yeah. Anyway, let's get started. So I've got a fidget spinner in here, and it is so small. But see, it is very fast. It was £10. I only got it today, and it was £10. So small, silent. Literally, listen. Can't hear anything, can you? Oh, that was a fingernail hitting it. And you see, it's really small, but like it may look big. It might look a bit big on the camera, but actually, it's quite small. That's the size on camera. Yeah, it's smaller in real life. But you can't see the bearing rings in it, but what you can see is where the bearing rings should be. It's like it's for the circle, and it's actually got the pattern of fidget spinners and all of it on both sides. Because over, like, look at the size of the finger pads and how thin it is. Like, it's real small. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Hello. Hello. Ooh. Yeah, it's awesome. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's my new fidget spinner. It's metal as well, and it's matte black, matte black. And yeah, guys, so if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys all later. Bye. Yeah, bye. Let me just put this in. Bye.